Hi, this is Grant from BeatTheMarketAnalyzer.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Beat the Market Analyzer spreadsheet, also known as the BTMA spreadsheet. You can follow along here, www.beatthemarketanalyzer.com/blog/help. Okay, so getting started, you'll download the zip file. I have the zip file here. It'll be somewhere on your computer. Just find the zip file. And even before I get started, I just want to say that you must have Excel 2007 or later to use this, and also you must have internet connection to use the spreadsheet. Also, Windows platform is what works. Mac doesn't have compatibility right now, but it might be something in the future that we add. Okay, so you have the BTMA spreadsheet package here, zipped file. Then you're going to right click and you'll click extract all. Okay, then we can extract it here onto the desktop. Okay, inside, after it loads, there will be 3 folders, and they'll be labeled as step 1, step 2, and step 3, and then we'll just follow along each step as we go. Okay, so here's the unzipped file. It just put it right here on my desktop, so you can find yours. Then we'll open it. We have step 1, 2, and 3. We'll click step 1. There's an installation guide. We click that. Okay, so our installation guide opens. You can see here there's thank you message, installation, help and troubleshooting. So if we go down to installation, we have our requirements here. Download, that's what we just did. We see our 3 folders inside, step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay. And next thing is to open step 1, and we got this, the help or installation guide. Okay, you can also follow along here at the website as I told you before. Okay, number 3 is open step 2 folder. So let's go back, open step 2 folder, and this is SMF folder. Now you'll see a folder named SMF. Copy the entire SMF folder and put it inside the local C drive. If you successfully copied the SMF folder into local C, then you can skip to part 4. Okay, so let's do that now. So we have to find local C, so click on your computer, or you can also go down to start and then click computer from there. So we'll go to local C here. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to copy SMF folder, the entire folder, over to local C. So we can right click on SMF, click copy, then on local C we can right click and then click paste. Okay, so I already have a copy on there, but most likely you won't. So you'll just copy it onto there. I'm not going to copy over this one. Okay, to make sure you have it in there, you can just click on C drive, and then you should see SMF folder inside there. Okay, we'll go back to the file here. Close this. Okay, so next thing, we continue to part 4 if we finish that. If you need help, this will tell you the directions, and then sometimes if you don't have permission to use local C, if you're using your computer at work or something like that, it'll say you need administrator permission. Just click continue if you can, see if that works. If it doesn't work, then you'll need to ask your computer tech or the appropriate person at your work to give you permission to save the SMF folder onto the local C drive. Okay, part 4, moving on. Alright, start Microsoft Excel and open a new blank workbook. Okay, so Excel, in File, New, okay, blank workbook. Okay, so now we have the blank workbook. Okay, next part. You will now activate the SMF add-in from within Excel. Okay, SMF stands for Stock Market Functions add-in, and it's used in Excel to help pull stock data from online. Okay, currently 2002 and 2003 versions of Excel is not currently supported. It's a work in progress. So you'll need to have Excel 2007 or later. And so to do this, to add the or activate the add-in, we click on the Windows orb, or if we're using Excel 2010, then we click on Excel Options. Okay, and then on the left we click Add-ins. Then near the bottom we click the drop-down list, Manage, select Excel Add-ins and click Go. Okay, so first let's click on Excel Options, File, Excel Options, because I have 2010 here. Haven't actually activated it yet. Okay, File. Okay, Options. Okay, down here is Add-ins. Okay, you can see down at the bottom it says Manage, and you'll go to Excel Add-ins, click Go, and then we're going to click Browse, and you're going to go find in Local C the SMF folder. Okay, so we'll find the SMF folder, and then you're going to click this one, RCH Stock Market Functions. Click OK. Make sure this is add-ins. Click OK. And it says it already exists in this location. Do you want to replace it? So in your case, probably you won't have that add-in, but if you do, then you can replace it or not. That's your choice. Okay. So we have it now, and you should have in here the check mark and Stock Market Functions add-in. That should be select now. Okay, so you're going to click OK. Alright, now let's go back to our help file or installation guide. Okay, so we have here Go. We selected all this, found our SMF file. Okay, it asked if you want to replace. Okay, so here it says that you should click Yes to replace your old Stock Market Functions file. Okay, be sure that Stock Market Functions was in the list. We did that. Click OK. Alright, now close Excel and restart it. Okay, so we're closing. And now we're going to restart Excel. Okay, this ensures that the add-in will be installed properly. Okay, then it says down here, Part J is if at any time you receive a message saying this workbook has lost its VBA project, ActiveX controls, blah blah blah, then it means you don't have Visual Basic for applications installed. So then you'll have to visit this link to find out how to do that. Okay, next part is Part 5. So now that we have Excel started back up, we're going to have to go within the BTMA spreadsheet package that we originally downloaded and find the Step 3 folder. Inside we'll find a file called BTMA Spreadsheet. Open that file and then we'll run the program. Okay, an Excel workbook will eventually load. Okay, so let's do that. Close this. Okay, so this was our unzipped file. This was our package, and we had Step 3. Here's our file here, BTMA Spreadsheet. It'll have some kind of date. Double click on that. So we agree. Proceed. Okay, close. Okay, the Beat the Market Analyzer splash sheet should come up. Okay, while that's loading, just going to see what the next step is here. Okay, so it will load, then we'll have to enable macros if we are prompted to do so. So if we receive a message, then we should enable content or enable macros. Update links. If you receive a message about updating links, then you click Update. Next we'll go to Quick Start. Okay, so the update link thing did come up, the message. This workbook contains links to other data sources. We're going to click Update. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is, I don't know if you can see this. At the bottom here, you're going to see different sheets. We're going to click on Quick Start. And then Quick Start tells you requirements. If you need help installing the SMF, you can click there. If you need help activating the SMF, you click there. We already did all that. Okay, how to use the analyzer effectively. So click on this video file, and this will show you exactly how to use the analyzer and all the different sheets that it has. And then if you need help or you have troubleshooting questions, go here, click on this button. And then finally, if you want to upgrade to the latest version of the BTMA spreadsheet or the full paid version, then you can go here. Okay, so let's test to make sure that our SMF add-in is working and that our spreadsheet is working. Okay, so we'll go to Single Analyzer. Okay, stock symbol. So here in B8, we'll enter KO. Coca-Cola. Okay, we'll just enter a date. Okay, so that's a start date to buy it, and we need to enter an end date as well. So let's enter 1 year later. Okay, now we click here, calculate on, and if everything's working correctly, it should start populating the cells along this row. Here you can see that it's working. It says 14% on the processor, and things are starting to populate. Okay, the industry, the company name. Okay, looks like it has populated and we're good to go. All of our data is in there, and so things are working properly. It's analyzing. The next thing you want to do is go back to that quick start and go down to this video, click on this video, and then you can watch how to use the analyzer effectively to analyze stocks and to find good investments. Hope you enjoyed this installation video, and check out more at www.beatthemarketanalyzer.com. I'm Grant, and have a good day.